Hi, I am Monica Guillory, the proud principal of LaGrange High School. I am so very excited that you joined us tonight for our ninth grade virtual parent night. I am sad that we can't do this evening face to face, but hopefully in the future we'll be able to invite all you parents in to come and visit with myself and the staff. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get this evening started. Welcome to LaGrange High School freshmen. I am Monica Thibodeau Guillory, and I could not be prouder than I am right now to be your principal. Parents, if you ever need anything, I do have an open door policy, and my big goal is to make sure that your freshman is super successful. I want to be with them from the moment they walk into the doors at LaGrange until they graduate in 4 years. Students, I am here for you. You are my everything, so please know that at any point, if you need anything at all, I want to hear from you. Thank you for choosing LaGrange High School, and I'm, again, super excited to be here with you.
Hello, I'm Coach Carter. I'm the ninth grade administrator. If that means if you have any questions or concerns about your student that's in the ninth grade, I'm here to help you with the transition from 8th grade to ninth grade. So feel free, when you call LaGrange, you ask for Coach Carter, Will Carter, and I'll be happy to help you.
1, 2, 3 into the 4. Miss Guillory is at the door. I work in the counsel's office, and I'm going to be introducing to you the 3 beautiful, most awesome counselors.
Hey Gators, I'm Miss Vadrine. I'm the 10th grade counselor, and I have 9th graders with last names that begin with A through F. Come see me if you need anything.
Hi Gators, I'm Kia White. I have freshmen last names alphabets P through Z, and I also am the senior counselor.
Hi Gators, my name is Donna Reeves. I am the junior counselor. I am also freshman G through O. Come see us. We can't wait to see you.
Hello to all our incoming freshmen and welcome to the Swamp. I'm Mrs. Gatewood, your cafeteria manager here at the Gator Cafe. You're always welcome to come here to have breakfast with us beginning at 7:15. Lunch starts at 11 o'clock. Remember to wear a face mask and bring your badge. Thanks. Welcome to the Swamp. I'll see you soon.
Hi, I'm Alex. I'm a sophomore in the university program. I hope your year is going great. Here's our director of the program, Dr. DeVilliers.
Good evening. I am Dr. DeVilliers, the University Programs Administrator for LaGrange High School. I have been the administrator here for the program since its inception in 2015. Our program accepts applications in the spring semester of students' 8th grade year, and they go through an application process that requires us to review their grades, test scores, discipline, attendance, and also teacher recommendations. If you are accepted into the program, you typically come into our program as a 9th grader, and you remain with us until you take dual enrollment classes in your senior year. If you are a current member of the university program, we are excited to have you with us, and we look forward to a great school year.
Hi everyone, my name is Miss Jacobson. If you are in the university program, I teach you geometry. I also teach Algebra 3 and our dual enrollment math, which is when you take a college math class here on our campus at LaGrange and you get credit for it. I'm so excited to meet all of you, and I can't wait to see your faces.
Hi guys, I am Miss Perron. I teach Biology 1 Advanced to freshmen here in the university program. I enjoy teaching science and getting to know my students. However, this year has been super unique since so many of you are virtual instead of face-to-face. However, whether you are virtual or face-to-face, I'm here for you to help you understand your content so that you're successful on the LEAP 2025 and in your future science subjects. So if you need anything, parents or students, please do not hesitate to email me so that I can help you get through this year and you'll have a successful year in Biology 1. So let me know if you need anything. Thanks.
Good evening. I teach U.S. History in the university program with our wonderful freshmen. I am Miss Thorne, and I really enjoy this job. I'm really passionate about history. I like to travel, which gives me a unique view on history that I can then pass on to my students. I hope we're all having a wonderful year and look forward to continuing our education this year.
Hi, I'm Mr. Fiducia. I teach engineering in the university program. I've got some really fun and cool things planned for this year. So far, the students are already helping me make improvements around the campus, and I'm really excited to continue doing so for the rest of the year.
Hi, my name is Malia Harrison and I am a junior here at LaGrange High School. I was once a freshman just like you were. I hope that you're enjoying your experience. Parents, here are the freshman teachers.
Hey everybody, I'm Cassidy Reeves. I teach English 1 in room 323. Please feel free to contact me at any time. Notifications get sent to my phone, so I'll be able to respond to you really quickly.
Hi, I'm Jenny Antilla. I also teach English 1 and I'm in room 327. If you need me, please feel free to email me and I will get back to you as soon as possible.
Hello Gator family, I am Ms. Viltz. The students call me Ms. V. I'm located in the Freshman Academy in room 301 and I teach business English. In our class, everything is done online, so your students will not come home with paper. So if you have any questions, you can reach me by email and your student knows how to access that as well. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Nina White. I teach English 1 here at the Freshman Academy. I'm in room 306. If your child is in my class and he or she has questions for me, they can send me an email as well as you at nina.white@cpsb.org.
Hey Gator family, I'm Miss Drake. I teach Intensified Algebra 1 in the Freshman Academy, room 305. If you need anything, make sure you email me. I'm always an email or a phone call away. I'm also the Key Club sponsor as well as the cheer coach. So you can contact me regarding cheer, Key Club, or anything concerning math or your student in my math class. I hope everyone's okay and I hope to hear from everyone. Bye.
Good afternoon. Hello everyone. My name is Maria Piper. I am an Algebra 1 teacher here at LaGrange. I've taught here this is my 14th year, and I work with the math department as the master teacher and also help support the teachers for the first half of the day, and then the second half of the day I teach 4 Algebra 1 courses. Glad to have you. Thank you guys for coming and supporting us. It's been a challenging year, but we're gonna make it. So kudos to everyone that's toughing it out, and I appreciate you guys coming and supporting LaGrange.
Hello y'all, incoming freshman, I'm Mr. Patrick Woodard. I coach LaGrange Lady Gators basketball. I also teach Algebra 1. My classroom is 324. Get involved. That's one thing I can say to the freshmen. You come in, get involved, stay active. It's going to help you overall in all your classes.
What's happening, Gator family? My name is Coach Cowan. I teach environmental science in the Freshman Academy in room 305. I also coach football and I coach track. Looking forward to meeting y'all and having a great year.
How you doing today, Gator family? I'm Coach Lars. My classroom is room 191 in the science building. I coach football, I coach basketball, and I coach softball. Looking forward to seeing you guys as well. Thank you.
My name is Charles Bagwell. I am a current civics teacher in room 326 in the Freshman Academy. This is my 5th year teaching in LaGrange. This is my 1st year in the Freshman Academy. We've had a great year so far. We look forward to an even better second semester at LaGrange.
Hello, my name is Jamie Ellender, and I teach civics also. I'm in room 303 in the Freshman Academy. I've enjoyed having my 9th graders so far, and I would like to continue that, and I hope we enjoy the rest of the year.
Hola, my name is Jenny Goitia. I am the Spanish teacher. I have been teaching in LaGrange during the last 10 years. This year I'm teaching in Spanish 2, 3, and 4. ¿Cómo están?
Muy bien.
Adiós.
Adiós.
Hello everyone, my name is Damien Papillon. I am the 9th grade Quest for Success instructor or teacher here at LaGrange High School. My room number is 308 in the Freshman Academy. Quest for Success is a career exploration program or class for 9th grade students. If you need anything from me, you can reach me by coming through the Freshman Academy, room 308.
Hi, hello. I am Janice Broussard. I teach Study Skills 1, which is a resource class for freshmen. And you can reach me if you need me at Janice, Janice, .Broussard, BROUSSARD, at cpsb.org. I'll be glad to help you anytime I can. And I can't wait to be able to meet you in person and put a name with a face. And I hope you are all doing well and making great grades and great progress. See you soon.
Hello, my name is Aisha Gray. I am the lab manager in room 321. I've been here 7 years. I will see your kids often. They come in here to do research, take a test or whatever. I will be in here with them. Also, they are teachers. And stay COVID safe.
Hi guys, I'm Mrs. Franklin, the librarian here at LaGrange High School. Here at LaGrange, the library is not fully functional because we did sustain a lot of damage during Hurricane Laura. But you can check our books and you can use the computers. In checking our books, you would use Destiny Online. Destiny Online is what you have been using since you've been in kindergarten. You can go to Destiny Online, choose your book, and put it on hold. I'll see it and I'll get the book to you. Also, you can come in and use the computers. We have 4 computers set up for you to use. You can use them for Odyssey Ware, and you can use them to do any assignment that any of your teachers have given you. Also, students, I do ask that when you come in, remember we all need to mask up and that we do practice social distance in the library. Also, if you have any questions, you can email me at donna.franklin@cpsb.org, or you can go to my Blackboard website. Also, students, one last thing that I would like to leave with you, a cybersecurity tip. Do not share your password with anyone. You all have a good year. Love you. Thank you.
Greetings from the choral department here at LaGrange High School. My name is Yavanka Brown, and I'm the choral director here at LaGrange. I teach beginning piano, beginning chorus, as well as advanced chorus. Chorus is open to all students from grade levels 9 through 12. As a freshman, you can join chorus and participate throughout your senior year. There are various competitions that the choir participates in throughout the year, but there are also opportunities for you as an individual to showcase your talent, such as in all-state chorus, in district honor chorus, as well as solo and ensemble. So if you're interested in joining chorus, we would really love to have you join our family. All you have to do is email me a recording of you singing your favorite song, email it to yavanka.brown@cpsb.org, or simply come by my room. I'm located in room 144, and you can sing any song that you feel comfortable singing. I am looking forward to hearing all the wonderful and amazing voices that I know are on this campus. Thank you for your time, and have a blessed evening.
Hi, LaGrange freshmen and family. So glad to talk to you tonight. My name's Shelly Buller. I'm the theater teacher at LaGrange. We are so happy that your student is with us. We want to take this time to let you know we have social media that keeps you in the know of everything that's going on at LaGrange. One way to reach us is Instagram at official LG Gators, or Facebook, which is LaGrange High School, Lake Charles, Louisiana. The handle is at LG Gators. And you can also find a wealth of information if you look up www.cpsb.org/LaGrange. You can find all kinds of information, announcements, and all kinds of resources. So be sure to look up these ways to keep in touch with us and also get involved. Have a great day.
Thank y'all so much for watching this Zoom meeting. First off, I would like to say that if you need anything, please go to the LaGrange website. You can access Blackboard, you can access everything that you need on their J Campus, everything. And freshmen, please get involved this year. We still have clubs. I know COVID came and it messed up some stuff, but we're still going and we're still standing. Also, I would like to thank our new principal, Ms. Guillory, for always being there so far and being such a great person to us. And my name is Ashawn Walker. I am a junior. I do art club. I am in Link Crew, and I also do Key Club. Other than that, thank you so much for watching this video, and please get involved with all these clubs. The teachers are amazing. Everybody is amazing at this school, and I'm so grateful that we're still here and that we can still come. Thank you so much, and have a great winter break.
Thank you so much, Ashawn. That was great. Thank you to all of our students who participated in our 9th grade virtual Parent Night experience. Thank you to Ms. Blunt, Ms. Buller, Dr. Suresh, Dr. Kumar, Miss Lewis, and every one of the LaGrange High School Gator family members who participated. Parents, please know that I am so incredibly blessed to be here at LaGrange. I think that I have wanted to be the principal of this campus my entire life. So please know that I am here for you and for your child, and there is nothing I won't do to help serve this community in the best way possible. Please, please let me know if there is anything that I can do for you at any time. Please feel free to give me a call or send me an email at monica.guillory@cpsb.org at any point. I appreciate you so much. Thank you for allowing us to serve your children. And please, please let us know if we can do anything for you. Go Gators!